So I find myself in the middle of a park, just having dropped off my son, and that sun is so bright I might end up with ear and eye problems this morning. Right, so here is my little rig. So SanDisk, 1 terabyte, little 10 gigabit USB-C cable that I got from Amazon, which was about, I don't know actually, I think it was about £10. And the Pro Max. So this little is actually a power adapter, an extended, like a power battery thing that I got from Small Rig from Amazon because they actually ran out. So this was £25, and I had to put a little black piece of material there because the hard drive was like 0.5 millimeter too small and it was sliding. So I'm okay. It's okay. I'm not 100% happy. This cheap little, quite flexible. It's a copy of the Manfrotto, just different design. Does exactly the same thing. So at the moment we're on 94% battery. Put this onto the tripod because then Filmic. Actually, I'm going to be using the Blackmagic camera. So with no step, we'll do lots of filming today. I'm going to see how long it takes for this hard drive to fill up. I have my coffee and my breakfast sandwich. This message is not sponsored by Greggs. If it was, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Right, so let's see what battery life and let's see what it can do. In the park, just set up the rig, USB-C, which is 60 frames per second, 4K, ProRes log, and it says 71 minutes of record time available. So I guess I could just record for 71 minutes, but actually this experiment is actually to look at the battery life. Okay, so we've got 60 frames per second onto the external hard drive. The battery level indicator is right there in the top corner, 90%. So lost 4% between the last couple of minutes. It is not warm, actually, so I'm just going to be recording this park onto the hard drive. So as I sit here waiting for either the battery to die, 35%, there's 16 minutes left on the hard drive, which is just blowing my mind. I was thinking about this, that I'm filming with now is the 12 Pro Max. It really did break the mold when it came to mobile filming. I know Samsung and Sony have got they've got great cameras. Great phones, I think that the 12 Pro Max, when I was comparing it last night with low light photography, the 12 Pro Max actually does a better job of capturing a sort of a wide open aperture. It's keeping the aperture open. I know it's all electronic, but the 15 Pro Max did a terrible job at a sort of a 30-second exposure compared to the 12 Pro Max, which I did in 2021 when I first got the 12. And it really does make me think that the machine learning has just ruined that part of the photography. And as you can see, it's just got these massive, blurry, horrible things. I think it's incredible to understand just how powerful the 12 Pro Max is. Less machine learning, a higher value, lets more light in on the f-stop. I know, again, it's all fixed, but the 1.8 compared to the 1.6, I mean, I'm filming with the front-facing camera, so it's not as good, but you know, it's good light this morning. So well done to Apple for breaking the mold with the 12 Pro Max. And this is going to be my phone. The camera itself, the 15 Pro Max, is going to exist as a camera. It's not going to actually be my phone, and it's got hardly any apps on it. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth turned off when I don't need it. There's no SIM card, and you know, it's just a camera. But my phone is going to be the 12 Pro Max. In terms of portrait on the 15 Pro Max is absolutely next level, very, very good. Can't wait to use it in church. Can't wait to use it with hopefully some artists that I'm going to be working with. Really make some phenomenal effects with the 5x zoom in portrait mode with dedicated lighting. So just thought I'd make this little video to so let's just carry on with, yeah, whatever, I don't need to record. So it's telling you are going to run out of space. So we're going to carry on recording. It takes about 1.5 seconds, 2 seconds to actually start recording. Okay, it's a little bit like Stargate SG-1. Ah! It's flashing. Right. What on earth is it doing? It's carrying on. What's it? Goodness me, what is it trying to do? And that's quite insistent. We've got no space left. So if I just quit the app and go back into it, still flashing, there's no space. Okay, let's go to media. Oh, that was heavy. So it says it's there. Filled a 1 terabyte hard drive, started at 90%, finished at 20% battery life. So by far the most incredible performance, and the temperature of the hard drive is just warm. The phone's not even warm, not really, and the sun's directly on it now. What an incredible piece of kit. Just don't drop it.